One of the questions a lot of people ask me is how we can fix a gummy smile in adults, right? Some of the causes can be a hyperactive lip. So in other words, you've got a short lip, called a Cupid's bow, and it's in pole position. So it elevates much quicker than other people, so it shows a lot more gum. Second thing is short teeth. You know, if you grind your teeth, then your teeth become square, not long. And that makes the normal gum appear more gummy. The other thing that I see a lot is what we call vertical maxillary excess. That's the dangerous one. That's when the whole upper jaw has grown downward. Well, how can you tell? Because when you smile, that 3-4 millimeters is not just above your front teeth. It's from your molar to your molar. So what are your treatment options? Well, it depends on the cause. We do a gingivectomy or a gum lift. If it's excess gum tissue causing the problem, mouth breathers are an example of that. People who don't brush their teeth properly, people who have certain allergies to medications. Now, if it's the lip, then you could start with Botox. Any muscle relaxant, injections in the upper lip can reduce that excess muscle activity that raises the lip. There's vertical maxillary excess. That needs orthodontic surgery. Or if you don't want to do jaw surgery, we can use TADs. TADs are skeletal anchorage devices, little mini screws that we put between the upper and sides of the teeth, and then with braces and elastics and a coil spring, we intrude all those teeth. But if we're going to do it that way, you then have to do laser gingival recontouring. For the short teeth, we use a technique called crown lengthening, and I do that with my periodontist. So I hope you understand there's no one cause of gummy smile, and you really need to see a specialist like myself to be able to take good records and then diagnose the cause of the problem. If you make the correct diagnosis, you get the correct treatment. If someone offers you gingivectomy or laser treatment for any gummy smile, run away, because you can't do the same treatment for different problems, right? But if your gummy smile is not worrying you aesthetically, it's not the end of the world. And a gummy smile is a youthful smile. So don't be too worried about gummy smiles if you're young. If you are a little bit older and you don't like the aesthetics of the gummy smile, we can help you.